Today we are talking about what Chinese pollution say about coronavirus and economic. Chinese cover in air pollution in the past, but this year the skies are clear. That is because the coronavirus epidemic has bring much of the country to the standstill for several weeks, causing a huge drop in pollution like nitrogen dioxide and harmful gas. That is empty when bring fossil fuel compared to previous year. It is below typical level. If you close down factory and reduce the amounts of cars on the road, you are going to reduce the pollution levels. And from that, we can deduce that the economic activity has been decreased. In early February, Chinese President Xi Jinping declares people were against the virus. That extreme measure like shutdown have prevent people from returning to work where necessary. But he also cautioned that those efforts should not jeopardize economic development. Now, a dramatic change in the pollution over the country suggests that striking that balance could be difficult. In the past few decades, China has grown on to become the world's largest coal customer. This is the future. It is large manufacturing base economy burns about 95% of the country's coal, making it the world's biggest emitter of greenhouse gases. Usually during the Lunar New Year, most industry went down for a week and power plants burn a lot of coal. Coal consumption usually rebounds after the week long, which means pollution levels pick up too. Because the level of nitrogen dioxide in China are so high, we can easily detect that from space.
They are known for changing out everything from textiles and metals to petrochemicals. But this year, they also went space from the impact of the epidemic, where skies weren't clear in many places of China. Some cities like Beijing are still shrouded in smoke. Has recorded high levels of air pollutants. These fine particles are created during the chemical reaction of gases generated from burning foam. Heating systems in Beijing's gravity can affect this reading. At least 100 spread source of pollution that can be missed. Major steel makers around the capital don't production during the holiday because going offline is closer than running all year round. So during the city shutdown, some factories committing to produce steel.
Some factories are slowly resuming production, so pollution levels that we observing from space are beginning to increase, which may indicate that economic activity could be resuming. The industry's business sentiment among manufacturers and the service sectors and fall below the lowest level recorded during the global financial crisis. An increase in the number of infected overseas could also put China's economy at greater risk, complicating efforts to meet these economic goals for this year. For now, one of the most visible indicators to see how it all plays out might be just to look up the skies. The world is our report. Thank you for listening.